Hello student, today we learn about how we represent data on bar graph. Any data which we show on the bar graph, how we show it on bar graph. Firstly, this is for we firstly make a horizontal line. We firstly made a horizontal line in this axis called x-axis. This is called x-axis. For the bar graph, we firstly make the horizontal line, and this is called x-axis. And after it we must draw a vertical line to join this point with, and this axis is called y axis. Understand students? Generally the bar graph, you see the graph paper, and if you don't see, you can see your science backside, science notebook backside. Understand? For drawing this, we should draw equal interval of time. Here we should draw equal intervals of line here. For this, you can draw this according to your 1 centimeter. Take a distance 1 centimeter, you can take 2 centimeter. Understand students? Then in x-axis, we should always represent that data which is constant, which is always constant. In x-axis we always write the constant data, and here is which is always change according to change. Understand students? For this we better understand, we write a question here. In your class, suppose in your class there are 80 students, and different student like different subject as follow. So it as a and show it on bar graph. Then subject and student. This is maths. Maths is liked by 20 students, English is liked by 15 students, Hindi and so on. And we should show this data on this bar graph. This is called, what is this axis? X axis, and this is called y axis. Understand students? We should write in x axis that data which is constant, because subject is constant here, and this is change different in different condition. This is change because here is 20, here is 15. And maths, we can write here maths, and this is English. After this Hindi, this is science, and this is GK. Understand student? And this in 1 centimeter, suppose we should write here. Then in 1 centimeter, we suppose 1 centimeter as 5 student. We suppose here that this 1 centimeter is equal to this 1 centimeter is equal to 5 student. Understand student? Then according to data, if the data is large, greater quantity, then we should, let's suppose it greater number, but here is not a very greater number, then we should suppose here 1 centimeter equal to 5 student. Then here is 5 student, in this 10 students, here is 15 student, here is 20 student. Understand student? Then how much student like maths? 20 student. Then how we draw it? We should draw it, because this 1 centimeter we suppose maths, and we should compare to here, and we should draw here 20 centimeter. Understand? Then this from here we can see that maths is liked by 20 student, then English is liked by 50 student. Then here where is 15? Approx here but you should make it by scale. You should make it by scale. English is like by 15 student, then where is 15, and you should draw here. Then Hindi is also liked by 15 student, and science is liked by 20 student. Where is 20, then approx here, but you should draw it by scale. And GK is liked by 10, and where is 10, approx 10 is here. Understand student? Then you should always, in x-axis you should write the constant value, and in the y-axis which value is changed according to the condition. Thank you student.